Hello dear guys and viewers. Today I have published a new video for the students and learners, those who are staying at home during this pandemic period and the international crisis. Most of the students are staying at home. They do not have the chance to visit their in institutions, educational institutions, school and colleges. So I want to help them. As a result, I have published a series of videos through my YouTube channel, K Mondol YouTube channel. If you need, you can visit my channel, K Mondol YouTube channel, related to narration, especially English grammar. I have already published many videos relating to rules and method of changing direct speech into indirect speech and indirect speech into direct speech. Today we will solve some problems which I have penned down for you. Let us discuss the questions along with answer. Direct speech. The head of the office said to the junior, "Sit down and mind your work and never waste your time." As there is the head of the office, so the head of the office can order, advised. So we can use ordered or advised instead of said to. Okay, said to. Here said to will be changed and there will be ordered or advised. Both meaning are useful here. The head of the department ordered the junior to sit down and to mind their work and never to waste their time. As it is imperative sentence, we know that if the sentence is imperative, the reporting verb said will be changed into ordered, advised, commanded, sometimes told, and inverted comma will be omitted. There will be to as conjunction. So what will be? Reporting verb will be changed into ordered, requested, commanded, according to the meaning, advised, according to the meaning of the sentence, and there will be to as conjunction. Instead of inverted comma will be omitted and there will be to, infinitive to as conjunction. Okay. So what will be? Again, the head of the office said to the junior, "Sit down and mind your work and never waste your time." It will be the head of the department or head of the office. Head of the office, we can use here head of the head of the office ordered the junior to sit down and to mind their work and never to waste their time. If there is never, do not, to will be after never or not. Not to, never to. Okay. Next number. Number 2. Direct speech. The head teacher said to the students, "Use your hand sanitizer and cover your face during the international pandemic period COVID-19. 2020, it is very important and very serious year for us because we are suffering from many natural disaster like cyclone and pandemic coronavirus. So most of the students are staying at home. We must remember this year forever. The head teacher said to the students, use your hand sanitizer and cover your face during the international pandemic period COVID-19. Coronavirus. The pseudonym COVID-19. So what will be? This is imperative sentence. As it is imperative sentence, said to will be changed into advised, and there will be to as conjunction. So what will be? The head teachers advise the students to use their hand sanitizer and to cover their face during the international pandemic period COVID-19. Okay. Next number 3. Direct speech. The man said to the narrator, you will be disappointed if you know the girl. The man said to the narrator, you will be disappointed if you know the girl. Assertive sentence. So, said to may be changed or may not be changed. They may be told or said to, both are correct. The man said to the narrator that you, second person, will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the narrator. So he within bracket narrator, will would be disappointed if you, second person, will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the narrator. So there will be he within bracket narrator. No will be new because said past tense. If the reporting verb is past tense, reported speech will be correspondent past tense. So there will be no new, no present tense, past tense, new, KNEW. The know the girl. Okay. Inverted comma will be omitted. There will be full stop. You must remember that every indirect speech will be in the form of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. This sentence will be always assertive sentence. Any sentence. Interrogative in direct speech, any sentence will be transformed into assertive sentence. Okay. Number 4. Direct speech. The wise say, the more you read, the more you learn. The more you read, the more you learn. It is proverbs. So, the sense of the reported speech will not be changed. What will be? The wise say that the more you read, the more you learn. So, only conjunction will be placed here. Okay. What will be? The wise say, the wise, the students and followers, you must look at this sentence and the word wise. Wise adjective, but if there is definite article, the adjective, the meaning will be plural common noun. So it will be many wise men, wise men, wise men. The wise men. Same meaning. The wise plural number, not singular number, because wise adjective, if there is adjective and if there is definite article before adjective, the meaning of the adjective will be plural common noun. You must remember it. The poor, the rich, the wise, the honest, always plural common noun. So the wise say that the more you read, the more you learn. Okay. Number 5. Direct speech. She said to us, do not laugh at the poor. Do not laugh at the poor. So what will be? It is imperative sentence. As it is imperative sentence, said to will be converted into advised. It will be changed into advised. She advised us not to laugh at the poor. Do not, not to. Never, never to. You must remember, in case of imperative sentence, to will be placed before the base form of main verb or principal verb, but do not will be not to, never will be never to. Okay. So dear students and followers, sometimes my many friends are watching my video, so I want to respect all of you, and I want to say you that if you follow my series of videos which I have published through my YouTube channel, K Mondal YouTube channel, along with my Facebook, I hope that if you follow my series of videos, the weak students will be efficient in English. I hope it, and I hope that if they practice at home regularly, they will be beneficial. So you all are requested to follow my video. Please subscribe my channel and share my video so that your nearest friend and relatives may be benefited by reading my writings and watching my video, hearing my lecture, and press the bell icon so that my next video you can easily watch. So I wish you every success in life. May God bless you. No more today.